Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best gear for your outdoor adventures. Today, we're talking about the GCI Outdoor Easy Chair, which we're calling the best GCI Outdoor Sports Chair for camping, the beach, or any outdoor event. If you're in need of a comfortable, portable chair that's built to last, stay tuned because we're about to dive into the features that make this chair stand out. Let's start with what really matters: comfort. The GCI Outdoor Easy Chair is designed with a wide tension seat and a broad, nylon mesh backrest, ensuring you have a comfortable sitting experience no matter where you're using it. Whether you're at a campsite, a sporting event, or just enjoying a relaxing day at the beach, this chair supports your back and provides all-day comfort. Now, the frame. This chair doesn't just look sturdy, it is sturdy. Made with a powder-coated steel frame, the GCI Outdoor Easy Chair is built to withstand the elements and support up to 250 pounds of weight. It's tough enough for outdoor use, but still light enough to transport with ease. Speaking of portability, setting this chair up is a breeze. The Easy Chair is a folding chair, meaning it packs down into a compact size for storage and transport. It measures 25.2 inches wide by 25.4 inches deep and 36.2 inches tall. But when folded, it's just 5.3 inches by 7.1 inches by 43.7 inches. Weighing in at only 9.7 pounds, it's light enough to toss in your trunk without a second thought. One of the standout features of this chair is its versatility. You can use it for a variety of activities. Whether you're camping, attending a concert, or sitting on the sidelines of your kid's soccer game, the GCI Outdoor Easy Chair provides comfort and convenience. It even has an adjustable side beverage holder, so you can keep your drink within reach while you relax. Durability is another important factor when choosing a folding chair, and this one delivers. The seat is made of durable nylon, while the frame is constructed with alloy steel that resists rust and corrosion. Whether you're sitting on grass, sand, or dirt, this chair holds up well under different outdoor conditions. In terms of ease of transport, the GCI Outdoor Easy Chair includes a carry bag, so you can easily throw it over your shoulder and head to your next outdoor event without hassle. It's compact, lightweight, and simple to store when not in use, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a portable seating solution. And if you're someone who appreciates a product with a bit of reassurance, the GCI Outdoor Easy Chair comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so you can feel confident in your purchase knowing the company stands behind its product. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best folding camping chair that combines comfort, durability, portability, and versatility, the GCI Outdoor Easy Chair is an excellent choice. From the solid frame construction to the adjustable beverage holder and compact storage design, it ticks all the boxes. Whether you're going camping, enjoying a day at the beach, or just need a reliable chair for outdoor events, this one won't disappoint. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there. See you in the next video.